Today we will be making lemon squeezy. When life hands you lemons, it's no time to frown. Just add some sugar, white or brown. First, cut those lemons in half with a knife. And juice them with a squeezer, make it nice. Pour the juice into the pitcher that's clean. But make sure to scoop out those seeds, not one should be seen. Then add sugar to taste, oh so sweet. Pour in water and stir, no need to heat. Ice cubes or cold water, whichever you please. Just keep stirring until the sugar dissolves with ease. Now your lemonade is ready to be savored. A perfect drink for hot days to be favored. Sit back, sip, and enjoy every drop. Or add in a strawberry and really make it pop. Thanks for watching.